Welcome to AminAcademy.com in mathematics regarding multiple choice questions and answers for competitive exams regarding pipe and system. A pump can fill a tank with water in 2 hours. Because of the leak in it tank, it was taking 2 1/3 hours to fill the tank. The leak can drain all the water off the tank in how many hours? Here, a pipe can fill in 2 hours. That is part of the pipe. Fill in 1 hour is 1 by 2 because it's 2 hour it will leak though so minus, and because of the leak of the tank it was taking to 1/3 of hours, 1 over to 1/3. So further 1 by 2 minus 2 1/3 is 7 by 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3, which is equal 1 by 2 minus 3 over 7 equal 14. 7 minus 3, 4 over 14, which is equal 4 over. Therefore, number of hours to taken is number of hours the leak can drain all the water is 1 by 2 minus 3 over 7 is equal, no, here 2 is 6 here, means 1. Therefore, 14 hours. Reciprocal 14 by 1 is 14 hours. 2. The leak itself drained the water in 14 hours. Question number 14. A tap can fill a tank in 6 hours. After half the tank is filled, the 3 more similar taps are opened. What is the total time taken to fill the tank completely? Here, half of the tank filled in. Full tank is 6 hours, half the tank is 3 hours. Here, tape takes 6 hours to fill the tank. Time taken for 4 tapes together fill the half of the tank is 3 by 4 hours. Look at here. First, a tape can fill in 6 hours. Tape can fill in 6 hours. Half of the tank fill in 3 hours. Remaining part of the tank is half, because half full. Time taken by 4 taps. Taken by 4 taps to fill half tank equal in 3 by 4 hours is equal 3 by 4 hours. Therefore, total time equal 3 by 4 hours. Already half the tank filled because 4 taps, 4 into 3/4 is 4 into 3/4. Therefore, 3 by 4 full of hours. That is 3 hours 45 minutes. because three-quarter hour is 45 minutes. Next question. A tank can be filled by two pipes 20 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. When the tank was empty, the two pipes were opened. After some time, the first pipe was stopped and the tank was filled in 18 minutes. After how much time of the start was the first pipe? Here, when the tank was empty, the two pipes were opened. After some time, the first pipe was stopped and the tank was filled in 18 minutes. Here, x by 20, let let the first pipe be closed after x minutes. Let first closed after x minutes. Then it runs for x minutes, x by 20 because 20 minutes plus 18 by 30 because it after tank was filled in 18 minutes. Then 18 by 30 minutes and 30 minutes respectively here, which is equal to full part of the tank. Then here 60 is an LCM, 3x plus 36 equal to 1. Therefore, 3x equal 60 minus 36 is 24. Therefore, x equal to 8 minutes. Therefore, you can see after some time means the first pipe was stopped. After 8 minutes, the first pipe should be stopped. Then a tape takes 36 hours extra to fill the tank due to leakage equivalent to half of its inflow. The inflow can fill the tank in how many hours? Here x, and suppose a tape 36 hours to extra to fill the tank due to leakage equivalent to half of its inflow. That means 1 by x minus 1 by 2x because of leakage is half of the original tape, which gives 36 hours. That is part of this tank is 36. So solving 2x 2 minus 1 or 1 by 36. Therefore 2x by 1 equal 36. X equal to 36 by 2, 18 hours. Question number 17. A cistern is normally filled in 8 hours but take another 2 hours together to fill because of leakage of its bottom. If the cistern is full, the leak will empty in. That means if the tank is perfect, it 8 hours, but it take 2 hours more to fill because of leakage. That is here 1 by 8 part of the tank filled by pipe 1 by 8, leakage is minus 1 by it takes 2 hours more, that is here 8 hours, but here because of leakage 2 hours more, so 8 plus 2 is 10, which is equal 1 by x. That means that if the cistern is full, the leak will empty in x minutes, that is x hours. So here 40 is LCM, 5 8s are 40 minus 4 equal 1 by x. Therefore, x equal to 40 by 1 is 40 hours. 40 hours to emptying the tank. A pipe can fill a cistern in 9 hours. Due to leak in its bottom, the cistern fill up in 10 hours. If the cistern is full, in how much time will it be empty by the leak? Here, in 9 hours, it leaks. The part of the tank will in 1 hour is 1 by 9 minus due to leak minus its bottom. The cistern will fill 1 by 10 hours equal 1 by, because this is 90, 10 minus 9 equal 1 by 9. Part of the tank filled is 1 by 90. Therefore, it takes 90 by 1 equal to 90 hours. Question number 19. A tank has two pipes. The first pipe can fill in 4 hours and the second can empty in 16 hours. If two pipes be opened together at the same time, then the tank will be filled in. Here, part of the tank to be filled in, that is 1 by 4 part in 1 hour. Leakage is minus, and it can empty 4 hours, and second pipe can empty in 16 hours. 1 by 16. If two pipes open together, this here 16 is an LCM, 4 minus 1, 3 by 16. 3 by 16. Therefore, reciprocal 16 by 3 is 5, 1 by 3 hours. Question number 20. A water tap fills a tub in P hours and sink at the bottom empties it in Q hours. If P equal to lesser Q, that is here Q is greater here. Therefore, and both tap sink are open, then 1 by R in R hours is 1 by R equal to 1 by P minus 1 by Q. This is the relation. This is option 2. That is here 1 by R equal to 1 by P minus 1 by Q. Option 2. Next, here a pipe can empty a tank in 40 minutes. The second pipe with diameter twice as much as that of the first pipe is also attached with the tank to empty it. The two together can empty the tank in. Here, if diameter is double, the flow volume is 4 times increased. So, therefore, you can say 1 by 40, part of the tank can fill 1 by 40 in 1 hour minus here the volume, the second pipe, the diameter twice, that is it's 4 times more, therefore reciprocal is 4 times less. 1 by 10. Here actually, here 1 by 10 is 4 times more than 1 by 40. So which is equal 40, 1 minus. Here 1 by 10 is more, therefore 1 by 10, 1 by 40. 4 minus 1, 3 by 40. Here, these both are empty, so it is plus because both are connected in emptying space of the tank. That means both together emptying the tank. It is equal 5 over 40. Therefore, reciprocal gives 40 by 5 is 8 hours. Both pipe together emptying the tank in 8 or in minutes. So 8 minutes, first option. Next question. A boy and girl together fill a cistern with water. A boy pours 4 liters of water every 3 minutes and a girl pours 3 liters of every 4 minutes. So by how much time will take to fill 100 liters? 1 by boy 1 liter 4 liters of water in 3 minutes. Therefore, by 1 minute is 4 by 3 liters. By girl in 1 minute 3 by 4 liters. Together is together they fill in 1 minute equal 3 by 4. 12 4 4 is 16, 3 3s are 9. 25 by 12. Therefore, for 100 liters, time taken to fill for 100 liters. Therefore, this is 25 by 4. 25 by 12 is number of liters in 1 minute. In 1 liter, take 12 by 25. 12 by 25 minutes. 12 by 25 into 100, which gives 48 minutes. Both together to fill the tank in 48 minutes. Yeah. Which of these 3 pipes will empty the pool in fastest? One pipe is diameter is 60. So it can fill in first pipe in 60 square because square of the radius is the volume ratio means pi r squared. The second is 2 pipes in 30 centimeter 30 square. Third is 3 pipes in 20 centimeter, which is equal 3600, 1800, 1200. Here highest is this highest filling empty the pool is the first is 1 only. Answer is the first. Means one pipe of the diameter 60 is filled quickly, emptied quickly. A trap drips at a rate of 1 drop per second. 600 drops make 100 ml. The number of liters wasted in 300 days. So, 300 days. 300 days is 300 into 24. 300 into 24 into 60 seconds. In 300 days, this much seconds are there. Now, the tape is at a rate of drops per second. 1 drop per second. Therefore, here 600 drops, 600 drops gives 100 ml. 100 ml. Now, here therefore total drops, therefore one drop equal to 100 ml by 600. One drop is 100 ml into 600. Therefore, 1 drop per second here. Therefore, total number of one drop gives this ml. Therefore, this much number of drips in 300 days is equal it is equal 300 into 24 into 60 into 60. Yeah, this much seconds, 1 drop in 1 second, this much drops. This much drop into 1 drop is 100 by 600. This is 1 drop is this much ml. Then a liter is divided by 1000. So, which finally it gives 4320 liters, because 1000 ml is 1 liter. So this is number of drops, because 1 drop per second is this much. Here 100 by 600 is 1 drop and this much ml, and liter 1 by 1000. So 4320 liters. This much liter is dropped in 300 days. Question number 25. Having the same capacity, 9 taps fill a water tank in 20 minutes. How many taps of the same capacity are required to fill the same water tank in 15 minutes? Here, 9 taps filled in 20 minutes. And how much then in 15 minutes, or how many taps, x number of taps required. Therefore, x equal to 9 into 20 by 15. Here, 4 times, 3 times, 3, which is 12. Therefore, we need 12 taps to fill the capacity of the tank. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.